Francis, no? Marino, can you also give your own ideas? So, para hindi matanggal sa grupo si Angelo, so mag-give na lang siya kaya idea. Diba? Ano na yung si April? Ano, tsaka ito yung idea ka na lang. Kung sa'yo mag-feel na yun yung Angelo, eh? Kapit pa lang.
Saya ka.
Kapit pa confidence ni Angelo? Pero sa next time na groupings na yun, pag una-una na yun siya, ano na ang idea? Hindi, nakapit na yung confidence.
Napako na sa siya.
Let's move on to the effective collaboration skills. Now, I will give you some useful expressions or useful sentences na pwede niyo magamit. I think. Ayan. Now, we have you share your ideas clearly and confidently. So, as you know, collaboration helps us express our thoughts, our opinions, and suggestions. So, you can use these useful expressions pag mag-share mo sa inyong idea. Kung sa ganitong case, sa i-equals, I think. Sa masunod mo sa I think, therefore I have. Sa masunod mo I think, makakakit yung pag-contract. Sama niyo mo mga I think, kasi so you can use these expressions to provide English mo. Ilasa na dahil paggawa sa classroom box, ito mo English. So sa grupo mo, I think my idea would be appropriate in this. Diba? I think I can use my idea. Or you can use my idea is, amigo. Sa sunod, my idea is?
My idea is great.
How about tayo, Cedric? How about
Angelo's idea?
But yes! Now, let's move on to number one siya. Two siya. Actively and nabalik ko siya. Di ba, pag may mag-istorya dapat, sa? Usabat ba ang magkuhan? Usabat ba si Cedric pag may mag-istorya? So, active listening means you pay full attention. And also, in your listen, walang kapit tayo yung respondent. Tala kasi na, dito tama, yes, yes. Wala siya. Tala kasi ang wala na pa. Tapos, pag gusto mo magkakukuha na kayo iingot ko, kaya yung gagawin ito ng useful expressions. Okay, I understand. Yes. Diba? That's a good point. Or you could say, can you explain more? Tapos yung mo na yung istoryahan kayo. Maminaw na po tayo sa diba? Now, number 3, we have ask questions for clarifications and understanding. Pag-grupo mo, nag-istorya sa April, wala nakasabot si Jamaica. Jamaica. Pag-ala si Jamaica. Dahil lang ka, kahit time lang mga pag-apilo. Diba? Mag-kuha niya ka, speak ka. You would ask questions to April. Yung sa kanilin mo pag-bake sa turon. Ano siya? Narapin mo. April, can you explain that again? Can you explain sa April na ano siya? I-bake na mag-turon, gusto na mag-turon. Diba? Kumuha na rin siya. What do you mean? Ang turon niya, ginabake ko niya ay. Kumuha na siya. Tapos, can you give me an example, April? Kapag yung turon na i-bake, kumuha na siya. Now, we also have help and support your activities. Dealing kay, ano man kasi ko, si Josh kay, pag-ano na po siya nila, sleeping na siya. Pag mag-wala ka na, taas na, sleep na si Josh. Ganito, Josh, help and support. So, ano pag-help sa inyong fan? Sa inyong groupmates? Kaya, I was very sure. Supported siya. George, nanay mo pwede gamitin Josh. Can I help you? Do you need my help? I want to help you. Dahil kasi pasok ko ni si Precious, tanggalan natin ni si wala nang tapos si Precious. Now, we also have here express agreement and disagreement politely. So, dapat ka mo, kapag mo, sa mga pag-agree mo, ka-polite, kanya pag-disagree, ninyo ka-polite. Nga, dili masakitan ang feelings ni Precious, o ni Cedric. Or, ni Cedric, ay kita siya ni Felicia, bangit na yung mga idea. Dapat, Felicia, natay mga tips din o mga useful expressions, kaya mo kang magamit. Dahil agree politely sa class. So, nana ka, yes, I agree. Yung wala naman kay idea, bakit? Or you can say, that's a good idea. Or ingat mo ka, I like your idea. And we also have here, disagree politely. Felicia, saan galing namin pag-disagree politely kay Cedric? Pag magkata siya kayo na, ganyan yung first expressions or sentences.
I see your point, but ang ilang way na pag-disagree sa ilang way. I understand sa inyo structure at agad mo siya another idea.
Yes. And then, you could combine your idea to make your output better para mas maunsakan mo successful. Or you could say, dapat di siya, praise mo na, that's a good idea, but maybe we can try this one. Or you could say, I understand, but muna siya, first ito sa disagree politeness, kaya naghatag siya o praise sa una, ay siya nag, but, ayan naghatag niya ang sa Now, everyone, let's mind discussion.
Okay, so before we proceed, animuot dun kayo diri guys, no? Ma-feel ninyo? Ma-feel ko talaga. So before we proceed, let me call with Teacher Brian to assist. Okay, so stand up everyone kay mag-stretching sa tagamay kay mura animuot na dun kaayo. Tumagan na to. Okay, Kuya Brian, Sir Brian, can you demonstrate?
The number that you have dialed
Sorry
is
guys,
currently
just follow us.
Please
It looks
call
like
again
this.
later.
But we will search the fee first and we will follow after.
Ay, before we proceed, I find
The number that you have dialed is currently busy. Please call again later.
Okay, kaya mas better if katapad ninyo.
The number that you have dialed is currently busy. Please call again later.
So, let us start. So it goes
The
like
number
this.
that you have
1,
dialed is
2,
currently
3,
busy.
1, 2, 3,
Please call again later.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop, stop, stop.
The number
Shake your
that you have
hands,
dialed is
shake
currently
it
busy.
high,
Please call
shake
again
it
later.
low, high five. Okay. Do you get it, guys?
Yes.
If I say nuggets, you say chicken. Chicken, nuggets, chicken. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop, stop, stop.
The
Shake
number
your
that
hands, shake your high, shake it low, yeah, high. Okay.
Dapat pas-pas. Okay? 1, 2, 3,
Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop, stop, stop. And shake it high, shake it low, high, high. Okay. Faster. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Shake it high, shake it high, shake it high, high.
Okay, everyone on the line? Yes! Okay, proceed na tayo. I will take your seats. Kayo matak na si teacher.
Did you learn something from the discussion?
Yes.
So what are the three
Example, skills fluency. I want skills fluency. Ano? Okay, thank you. How can you build your fluency? I want to hear from Jay. Kailangan sa gawin ka So how about coherence? What is the difference between coherence and fluency? I want to hear from my student, James.
Fluency is how smooth you speak, and coherence is how clearly you state your ideas.
Okay, James, really simple. So lastly, collaboration. In your own words, how would you define collaboration? And how collaboration help you in building your fluency and coherence? Have Casey. Okay, thank you. So working with your groups with Cedric and James Music. Okay, sila na ba ako? Okay, thank you. Now that we all already understand our lessons and have a background knowledge of it, let's have an activity. Let us have teacher.
To assess your knowledge for today, let us have a very short panel discussion. So who among you are group 1 galing? Group 2? Group 3? 4? Kasi hindi mo So every group will be assigned a teacher, and as a teacher, she will discuss the scenario, and you will have an opportunity to brainstorm for 5 minutes, and then you will share your ideas. Okay? Nagets ba? So, group 1, the assigned teachers will be Teacher Crisette, Teacher Jasmine and me. Group 2, the assigned teachers are Teacher Ira, Teacher Kelly, and Teacher Precious. For group 3, the assigned teachers are Teacher Jay and Teacher Brad. So, can we form a circle, everyone?
Guys, guys.
I-absorb na sila.
I-absorb na ako. I-absorb? Sige lang yung sila.
Kasi parang ano ka mo?
Ay, sige.
Isa mo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ashley, number 1. Hi, Cassie. Ito, Ashley, number 3 ka lang. Number 3 na, Faye. Isa ulit.
Gawad mo. Dili. Suppose dili. Dili.
So in your scenario is other. So most of the verb plans choose this. areas are located in the zone currently landslide and early waves. How can you help ensure that these rare plants, like flora and fauna, are kept safe and protected? How will you respond to word language na
Wala siya yung listening skills, no? Wala kasi example sa listening.
So again, your scenario is part of the area. Most of the earthlands around STCC area are located in the zone prone to landslides and earthquakes. How can you help ensure that these rare flora and fauna are kept safe and protected? Again, most of the rare plants Siya part siya sa computer.
English, Tagalog, or English sign. Personally, I would like to hear you in most
Balak signals, what I think is, I question some of my questions about the purpose. You can say that literal fire or it's have a purpose and I asked my classmates for research about some of our their crops change their crops for another crops. And then for I would ask the question first if this is the purpose or it's literal fire. If purpose, I will explain as a student of college of this fire is the purpose for representation. If hindi siya, yung comfortable gas, related for herself.
Make their crops, change crops from some facing to make a landmark like the name of the Ang gagawin mo.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Faye. I am class 3. So, as for the introduction of what should we do to preserve the rare plant species and an area which is prone to landslide. So, now we will be hearing our